Good morning, friends. This is the Vijayawada station, and this is the platform number one. I am showing you the cleanness and the systems provided by the South Railway Department. You can just see how neat and clean the station is and how they are maintaining the cleanness. One lady always cleanness. See, this is a lady always used to remove the dust and unwanted materials from the platform. I can say, as compared to North India, West India and East India, the South India station is very good. This is my experience and I have seen from my eyesight only. That's where I come from. This is a platform number one of Vijayawada Junction in Andhra. Everywhere you find neat and clean, and the layout very good. You can see the very good layout of the stations. To watch the latest videos, you can subscribe my channel and you can press the icon button so you can get the notification of my videos on time. I will show you the other platform. This is the platform number first. This is second, third. And now it is winter monsoon, but in Vijayawada the rain is continue, and the rain is continue because in winter also we will find the rain in South India, and you also see this is the rain is continued now. Thanks for my watching videos. You can subscribe my channel. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.